So you got all this data, but what does it mean? What can you do with it? And what's going to happen next? AI can help you figure all of that out. I'll show you how on Ask Salesforce. A question came to me today from a customer who's struggling with an old analytics tool. She asked me if there's something she can do to get more from her analytics, and there is. It's analytics combined with AI, augmented analytics. Instead of just telling us what happened in the past, it can also tell us why it happened, what will happen, and what we can do about it. Last month, sales of our new Series 8 widget went through the roof. But what did we do that made sales take off? With our augmented analytics tool, we can discover why. By using data exploration, we tell the AI the outcome we'd like to explore. The AI sifts through millions of rows of data, and in a few minutes, we have some answers. Augmented analytics doesn't just give us an idea of why our sales were so good last month, it also allows us to run what-if scenarios that model what might happen next if we change some of the variables. These what-if scenarios allow us to try new ideas virtually. The AI uses what it's learned to make an educated guess as to how these ideas will work. With our traditional analytics, we could see the seasonal spikes, but we couldn't predict how many widgets we'd need to make in the next month, the next quarter, the next year. With augmented analytics, we have a time series forecast. This allows us to take a chart like this and stretch it into the future. By feeding our AI information about our discount plans for the next 2 years, it can give us a very good idea of just how many widgets we should be making and when. Augmented analytics has transformed our business, and all that leads to better sales and more customer success. So what can you do next? You can head over to Trailhead and learn more about AI, or you can browse our YouTube channel for more specific demos. And as usual, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching Ask Salesforce.